Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start the exercise 6.3, the first problem. State which pairs of triangles in the figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So here there are 6 problems given to us. We will solve one by one. And we have to say by which criterion they are. Here we can see the first one. Here you can see angle A is 60 degrees, angle P is also 60 degrees, angle B is 80 degrees, angle Q is 80 degrees, and angle C is 40 degrees, angle R is 40 degrees. So this way you have to write down. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we observe that angle A equals to angle P equals to 60 degrees, angle B equals to angle Q is 80 degrees, and angle C equals to angle R equals to 40 degrees. So angle. So therefore by AAA criterion of similarity, so we'll write down in that order only. A, B, C, triangle A, B, C is similar to P, Q and R. Triangle P, Q, R. The way in which you have taken it is, order is very important. So A is first, B is second, C is third, P, Q and R. That order. So we'll go on to the second one. This is the second one. This is the first one. Here we can see all the sides are given. AB is 2. Here you can see QR is 4. Then BC is 2.5. Here RP is 5. Means it is 2. This is 4. This is 2.5. This is 5. This is 3. This is 6. So we have to find out the ratio in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We observe AB upon QR is 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Then we will see the next one, that is BC upon RP is how much? 2.5 upon 5. 2.5 on the 5. 2.5 into 2 is 5. So it is 1 upon 2. Then CA upon PQ. CA upon PQ is how much? CA is 3. This is 6. So this is also 3 on the 3, 3 to the 6, 3 on the 3, 3 to the 6. So it is 1 upon 2. So we see AB upon QR equals to BC upon RP is equal to CA upon PQ is 1 upon 2. Therefore all the 3 sides are given, therefore by SSS by SSS criterion of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC QRP. QRP ABC. First is 2, then it is 4, 2.5, 5. So it is similarity criterion. Yes, the sides. Now let us see upon this MP upon what will do DE in triangle LMP and triangle DEF. We will see LM upon MP, PM upon DE is how much? 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Then we will see EF, this is 3. No, it is not possible. PMLM MP. Here after 2 there is 3. Here there is after 4. Here there is no 6. It can come like that. 6. Okay, we'll try. E, D, and F. Let us see. P, L upon LP or DF. LP is how much? This is 3, this is 6, this is 1 upon 2. This can come. The next one is, we have to see, this is not possible. So if you see LM upon EF, this is 2.7 upon 5. Therefore, what do we say? We conclude we observe that the ratio of the sides of the triangle of these triangles are not similar. So they are not similar. These two triangles are not similar. We'll go on to the next one. Here we can see angle M is equal to angle Q, and here LM is 5. Here it is MN is 2.5. Here it is PQ is 70 degrees. So we'll write down. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. In triangle MNL and triangle QQPR. We observe that angle M is equal to angle Q is 70 degrees. Then MN upon PQ is how much? 2.5 upon 5 is 1 upon 2. Then ML upon QP. QR. It is 5 upon how much? 10. 1 upon 2. So 2 sides and 1 angle. So by side angle side, by side angle side, criterion of similarity, triangle you can say NML is proportional to PQR. Triangle NML, then it will be PQR, similar to triangle PQR. You can check. NM it is 2.5, PQ it is 5, and NM and L. ML is 5 and QR is 10. So it is 5 to the 10. So by SAS, that is side angle side criterion. And we'll see the fifth one. Angle in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A is equal to angle F is 80 degrees, and AB, you will see AB upon DE. AB upon DF. How much? AB is 2.5, DF is 5. This will be 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Then you will see the other side, BC upon BC is how much? 3, and this is DF, and then E. Not possible, because your angle A is 80 degrees. If you take BC after 2.5, it is 2, after 5 it is, so it is not possible, because this angle is, you can say, DEF and PQ, it has to come EF, DE. So this, there is no number given here, DE. So therefore AB upon DF is not equal to BC upon DE. Therefore by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are these two triangles are not similar. So we'll have a look at the sixth one. In triangle DEF and triangle PQR, here we can see angle D equals to angle P. How? If this is 80 plus 30 is 110, 110 plus 70 is 180, therefore this is 70 only. And if it is 8 plus 7 15, then this is to be 30. Therefore we have been given two angles. So this is angle D is equal to angle P is 70 degrees, and angle E equals to angle Q. Angle E here it is, and angle Q is 80 degrees. Therefore it is 80 degrees. Therefore by AA angle criterion for similarity, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. So that's the answer. So here it is AA, we can say only two angles. So even by with this criteria, angle, that is angle actually criterion, the two triangles are similar. So this way, this is the answer. That's all for this video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. For latest information about the mathematics in class 10, you can subscribe my channel. You will get all the information. I will be teaching you all the 8th standard and 10th standard mathematics. You can subscribe my channel. Thank you.